Welcome back to Red and Blue. A group of House Republicans want Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg to answer questions over the impossible indictment of former President Trump. They're demanding Bragg's office hand over documents and testimony related to that investigation. CBS News Congressional Correspondent Scott Macfarlane joins me now from Capitol Hill. So this investigation has sparked more tension, obviously, between the U.S. House and that ongoing investigation, which you just heard Ty Cobb describe as an overreach by Congress. What are you hearing up there, Scott?
Well, Major, 2 months into this new Republican majority in the U.S. House, Congress really has defaulted into a position to which it became accustomed over the 4 years of the Trump administration, where they're arguing about Donald Trump. 3 chairmen of 3 committees have requested not just documents and communications from Alvin Bragg, but testimony from Alvin Bragg. And they're getting a strong response from Democrats who call that an overreach and improper. Take a listen.
The federal district of New York said this wasn't something they were going to pursue. The previous district attorney said this is something they weren't going to pursue. And even this district attorney said he wasn't going to pursue it. And then what happened? President Trump announces he's running for re-election, and shazam, no, now we're going to pursue it.
The district attorney's in the middle of an investigation, or maybe it's coming to its conclusion. We don't really know for sure, but it's inappropriate for these 3 committee chairs to try and pressure him into doing something different than following the grand jury process as it's outlined under New York state law. And they're definitely across the line when it comes to them pressuring him to disclose grand jury secrecy information. It's illegal in New York State, and I think it's a felony in New York State, and they should be avoiding that sort of thing just to start with.
About this renewed and intensifying focus on Donald Trump here in Congress, Senator John Cornyn, the Republican from Texas, just told us he'd like to see Republicans focus on the agenda that helped them win the majority in the U.S. House rather than this. And Kevin McCarthy was unequivocal, Major, saying, you're asking us about this. We're not trying to push out a message on this, but that does run counter to 3 House Republican chairmen announcing their investigation of Alvin Bragg.
They wrote the letter and the press release. Let's just remind the audience of that. One other question before I let you go, Scott. More information has emerged regarding the data breach that leaked personal information of thousands of D.C. employees, and as I gather from your reporting, some members of Congress. What's the latest?
There is growing concern about this breach of the D.C. Health Link, the D.C. government portal through which people who live here can get health insurance. Our latest reporting is that at least 17 members of Congress and an untold number of staffers have had their personal information hacked and potentially sold on the dark web. What kind of information? Like Social Security numbers, home addresses, phone numbers, emails, birthdays. Both the FBI and Capitol Police are investigating. There's certainly an identity theft risk here, Major, but also members of Congress are concerned about their physical safety, perhaps more than any time in recent memory, and they now have personal information that is exposed.
Connecting those dots is very important. Scott Macfarlane, thank you so very much.